Y'all know the drill. Come to the Twitch. Follow it up, you know.
Yeah.
I saw Bird door up and I was like, what the fuck
Yo,
is
you like this dragon skin that is not mine?
Do you like dragons?
I like the blue one.
dragging these nuts across your face, little nigga? You're so stupid.
Alright, that's time I lock in. I'm sorry. I'm locking in now.
Oh,
Okay, fuck that, bro. Fuck that, bro.
That's a good spot.
Omen 60, Cypher was on A.
One enemy remaining.
Nice shot.
Oh, there we go. My clips do work.
Nice.
Oh! I just hit it!
Spike planted.
Ready? You're done.
Oh, he threw.
One enemy remaining.
About you and me.
Oh, I'm gonna fart. Oh, I'm gonna put it closer to the mic.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining. Spike down mid.
Good shit.
Woo!
Clip
That's
that
a clip,
shit,
baby!
That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And follow the Twitch, chat.